right, welcome. Since you're looking at these particular videos, I'm assuming you weren't in class today, so let me go ahead and treat it as though you weren't. On these, we're completing each rectangle by multiplying. So in other words, we're multiplying this times this. Now remember, with multiplication, this little dude here has to multiply with all those, and this one here has to also multiply with all those. So these two we multiply together to get 8x to the fourth. These guys give us 12x cubed, negative 4x squared, and negative 10x. These guys multiply to get us negative 12x cubed, negative 18x squared, positive 6x, and positive 15. Once you get that, you need to combine like terms. So this one is all by himself. These two cancel each other out. These two give us negative 22x squared. These two give us a negative 4x and then a positive 15. So my answer to my multiplication problem is this. Whether you leave a space in here or not is fine. I just am doing that so that all these little guys line up and it's all nice and pretty. So either one is fine. Let's look at how we use the multiplication process to do division. So what this is doing is saying, here we said this times this equals this. So here we're saying what times this would be equal to this, which is essentially what division is. So we're dividing this guy into this. And as you saw, this little dude here showed up right here. That's where we are first going to place our number, 6x cubed. So then up here we're saying what times this gives us this, so it would be 3x squared. These multiply to get 15x squared. Now here, I need to say that these two things combine to get a 7. Well, that means I'm going to need to subtract 8 of them to make that happen. But then I would need to multiply this by what? 4x to make that happen. Those two give me negative 20. And I need to go back for the other direction, so I want positive 4x. So that would give me a 16. And then that would be what? 2, and 2 times 5 is 10, which gives me this one here, and that works out nicely. So this means that it divided in evenly. This is the answer to my division problem. So let's go ahead and now look at number 4. So 4, we're saying x minus 2 divides into this. Now, you can put in a, sorry, there we go. You can put in a little filler in here with a 0x squared, but you don't need to. I'm finding that most of my kids are doing really fine without the fillers. So let's go ahead and just see what would happen. Remember, like I said before, this little dude here goes right there, just like it went here and here. So make sure that we're remembering that. So we put that there. So this would be what? X cubed, negative 2x cubed. This would be a negative 4, that would make that work. This would be an 8. So this would have to be a 10. No, my bad. This is the x squared, this isn't. So this is the one where we want to get rid of my whole x squared term. So here's kind of a special case scenario here. Again, there wasn't an x squared down here, so I want to make that whole term disappear. So then that would be what? 16x. So now 16 and 2 would give us that, and negative 4, and sure enough it went in nice and easy, no remainders today.